Alright, quick question. Why do some people build wealth while others stay broke, even with similar incomes? Here's the truth. It's usually not about how much you make, it's about the habits you repeat every month. Today, I'm gonna show you 7 financial mistakes that quietly keep people broke and how wealthy people think differently. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, spending before saving. Most people get paid, spend money on bills, shopping, and eating out, then try to save whatever's left. Usually, nothing's left. Wealthy people do the opposite. They save or invest first, then spend what's left. Even if it's just 10% of your paycheck, pay your future self first because wealth isn't built by earning more. Mistake number 2, looking rich instead of becoming rich. A nice car, designer clothes, the newest phone, none of these make you wealthy. Many people buy expensive things with borrowed money just to impress others, but debt steals your future income. Before buying something expensive, ask yourself, is this an asset or just another monthly bill? Remember, real wealth is usually invisible. It's in investments, businesses, and assets that grow over time. Mistake number 3, waiting for the perfect time to invest. Let's be honest. How many times have you said, I'll start investing next month? The problem is, next month often turns into next year. Here's the truth, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. You don't need thousands of dollars. Start with whatever you can afford because the habit matters more than the amount. Remember, time in the market beats trying to time the market. Mistake number 4, living to impress other people. Social media makes expensive lifestyles look normal. Luxury cars, designer brands, fancy vacations, but it rarely shows the depth behind them. Don't buy things just to impress people. Most of them are not thinking about your life anyway. Before making a big purchases, ask yourself, if nobody else could see this, would I still buy it? If the answer is no, you are probably buying it for the wrong reason. Financial freedom will always feel better than looking rich. Mistake number 5, depending on only one source of income. Here's a question. If your paycheck disappeared tomorrow, how long would you be okay? For most people, not very long. That's because they really own just one income source, and that's risky. Wealthy people don't depend on one paycheck. They build other income streams like investments, our businesses, a side hustle, or even a YouTube channel. You don't need to build everything today. Start with one, grow it, then build the next. Because the more income streams you have, the normal financial security you create. Mistake number 6, trying to get rich overnight. Everyone wants quick success. One lucky investment, one viral video, one big opportunity, but real wealth does not work that way. The people who become wealthy usually win through consistency. They invest regularly, keep learning, stay patient, and avoid shortcuts that promise easy money. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Slow progress is still progress, and over time it beats chasing everyone get rich quick trend. Mistake number 7, never investing in yourself. Before we end, here's the biggest mistake of all, not investing in yourself. Your skills, your knowledge, and your experience are the only assets that stay with you forever. A new phone loses value every year. A valuable skill can increase your income for decades. That's why successful people never stop learning. Read books, take courses, practice new skills. The more value you create, the more opportunities you will have. The best investment you will ever make is in yourself. Outro. Let's quickly recap. First, spend after you save. Mistake number two, build wealth, don't just look wealthy. Number three, start investing early. Number four, stop buying to impress others. Number five, build more than one income streams. Number six, avoid get rich quick shortcuts. Number seven, keep investing in yourself. You don't need to change everything today. Just improve one habit at a time. Small consistency actions lead to big results. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more content on money, investing, and financial freedom. Which of these seven mistakes do you think is the hardest to avoid? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.